Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. We're out here in Biloxi and we're staying at the White House Hotel. And we're going to give you a tour of our room. So the White House features a swimming pool out in front of the hotel, right on the highway, with a view of the beach, like a lot of old hotels along Highway 90 did back in the old days. So this is our king suite at the White House Hotel, and at this point I'm not sure whether we're going to be able to get any other parts of the hotel on video, because there seems to be some kind of a wedding party going on here, so I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to video around the grounds. Hopefully I'll be able to at least get a shot of the front of the place. But this is our king suite, and I gotta say I'm a little disappointed for what we paid for this place. But we'll start our room tour with the basic safety features. We have a door latch, mechanical deadbolt. Checkout time is noon. The maximum room rate is $899. Now, to anybody that's wanting to come stay here, if they're actually asking $899 for this room, go somewhere else. It's not worth it. That's not what we paid. We have a peephole and the emergency exit plan, and they stuck us on the first floor, and never in my travels have I ever been stuck in a first floor room. But I guess I didn't have a whole lot of option because it's Cruisin the Coast weekend and everything is full right now. But this is a diagram of the layout of the hotel. And now we're going to look at the king suite. And where's the other room? Or something. You know, it's got a couch and a coffee table. The room's nice. I mean, I'm not going to say that it's not nice, but I've had bigger rooms than this in a Hampton Inn for $89, and we paid $275 for this room for one night, which I'm not really sure exactly how that happened either, because I thought it was kind of high when I thought I was paying $175, and then I looked at my credit card statement and it was $275, and I checked the reservation and everything, and yep, $275 for this room on the first floor. So anyway, we have a rather small television here, bedroom style TV with a remote, chest of drawers with a warning: serious or fatal crushing injuries can occur from furniture tip over. Wow. Place heaviest items in the lowest drawers. I hope they got this thing bolted to the floor. The drawers really don't open very smoothly. And I don't think this is some kind of antique piece of furniture. Now, this hotel's been around forever. But anyway, we have a microwave with the time set properly with annoying red LEDs. We They have water and glasses, ice bucket. And they do have a restaurant, room service, and all that stuff. And they have a wine list. I'll go buy a bottle of Strawberry Hill for $1.95 down at the next gas station, and that'll be my room wine if I decide I want to drink wine. But the microwave is clean. Turntable is on its track. We have a refrigerator here, stocked with Gatorade and 2 bottles of water, which I'm afraid to drink because they might charge me $50 a piece for them. But the refrigerator is cold and clean. It even has a little freezer compartment with a tiny little ice cube tray. And there's power inputs on the front of the microwave. 4 amp max, 9 amp max. That's interesting. Never seen that before. I guess that's if you want to plug in a hot plate or something. So we have a king size bed, 4 big pillows and a throw pillow. This is some sort of I guess just another place to sit. Rolls on out. A very well worn magazine. Discover South Mississippi. I wonder how old this is. Summer of 2018. Well, I guess summer's over. A White House Hotel stationery and pen. That will be coming home with us, as they expect you to, and a Save Our Planet. Please leave this easel on the bed if you want the sheets changed. Well, I hope they changed the sheets after the previous guest checked out. You know, if I was staying here more than one night, I couldn't really care less if they changed the sheets every night, you know, but I sure hope that they changed the sheets after the last guest checked out. You know, save the planet, but yeah, these better be clean sheets. We have an alarm clock, also with the correct time set on it, and it's got a couple of power outlets and some ugly lamps. Another one of these little whatever it is, the White House Hotel directory. And this gives a history of the place, which is interesting. Established as the White House Inn in 1895, this hotel was first operated as a boarding house by Cora White. By 1910, the hotel had grown in notoriety, becoming a popular tourist destination. After finally closing its doors after 90 years later, in 1987, due to neglect and disrepair, the hotel sat abandoned for nearly 30 years. After several failed attempts to rebuild the hotel, a local developer purchased the property and finally brought the White House Hotel back to her former glory. On August 1st, 2014, the White House Hotel finally reopened. 76 rooms, bridal suite. They have a ballroom. And a restaurant called Cora's, named after Cora White. Seats 100 people, has 40 wines and 16 beers, both on tap, and serves 40 wines and 16 beers, both on tap. What does that even mean? Do they have wine on tap? Serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner with a brunch on Saturday and Sunday. White House Hotel is listed in the National Register of Historic Places, designated as a Mississippi landmark in 2010. And they have a channel guide and a restaurant and bar menu. Gideon's Bible, no phone book. So the bed seems really soft. The pillows are really soft. Then I don't really know what to call this. It's unattractive. It looks like it came out of 1971. Out of a 1971 Bell telephone system advertisement. It should have a Harvest Gold telephone sitting right next to it. The desk is kind of neat. And they had the coffee maker on the desk rather than in the bathroom, which is good. You got outlets on the lamp, but the coffee maker's plugged into one of them. This is a Keurig, and they've got New Orleans roast, medium roast, New Orleans roast decaffeinated, and New Orleans roast southern pecan. I'll probably try that in the morning. And little packs of sugar and all the other stuff that gets into the coffee. Big mirror here. We have a couch, coffee table with a giant ashtray on it. Non-smoking facility though. I guess this is an ashtray. I don't know what the hell else you would do with that. And a little table here. And that's the air conditioner. I haven't figured out, oh, there's a thermostat by the door. So thermostatic air. And this couch is not a fold out. And they're adamant when you book the rooms that this room sleeps a maximum of 2 people. So can't have anybody crashing on the couch. Now we're going to open up this curtain so we can see the view. Requires a lot of work. Well, that's nice. And this is what we see outside of the room. Some sort of wedding party and the beach off in the distance. But having the window open does light up the room a little bit better because this is a very poorly lit room. Oh, there's a ceiling fan too. Forgot to mention that. So yeah, we have 2 windows, which we're not going to be able to leave open because there's a bunch of people standing around right outside the window. So let's check out the bathroom. So I guess this is the second room of the suite. And well, it's a nice bathroom. It's a big bathroom. Got a nice modern basin here. There's some kind of weird plumbing that I'm going to have to figure out how to operate. And there's a big window in the bathroom. And you can see the wedding party out there in the mirror. So what we have here is a box of Kleenex. Oh, there we go. So I guess that's hot and cold running water, and it runs down this little trough here. Isn't that neat? I wonder how much that cost. So we have a towel on the wall here, and both of the lights are on. It's dark in here. We have makeup towels, Archive Shea Butter Finest Bathing Soap, Relaxing, Green Tea and Willow, Whisper Mint Mouthwash, Whisper Mint Spearmint, Refreshing, Archive body lotion, rose hips and lavender, calming. We have a toilet with something in it. Look at that. And the flushes. Up here we have bath towels, more Save Our Planet bullshit. Washcloths, hand towels, more towels, bath mat, Archive shower gel, grapefruit, and what does that even say? Neroli? Energizing. This one, the capsule is on. The cleansing shampoo, green tea and willow. Relaxing. More of the finest bath soap, more mouthwash, more body lotion, and something here that's revitalizing conditioner, green tea and willow, relaxing. Really not impressed. Now the shower's nice, no bathtub, but it is a nice shower. It's got a sliding door. Sorry guys, I'm having trouble with the gimbal here. So, I wonder if there's any way to turn this thing on without getting soaking wet. That is the shower head. And we're gonna turn it on and see what happens. Whoa. Oh, that looks like a decent stream. I think the shower will go pretty good. And over here in the corner, we have an iron. That's the safe. I don't think it's supposed to be like that. That's... It actually opens and functions. Wow. I can't believe it actually works like that. Huh. Anyway, they gave us 2 bathrobes and a luggage rack and an ironing board and a gigantic window here in the bathroom, which I might just leave open so all these people out here for the wedding party can just be horrified by what they see through the window. Anyway, that's it for the room. If you're coming out to the coast, there's a lot of hotels out here. Unless you want to burn some money, I wouldn't suggest this one. I mean, it is nice. I did want to see what it looked like. You know, it's historic, but I'm really not impressed. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, comment below. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Check out our merchandise on shop.spreadshirt.com/504roadtrips. Share and follow us on social media, and be sure to join us for our next 504 road trip.